everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my last update before the finale for the Graveyard Project pan. This was created by Emily. This is the second year that this project has been going on. I believe it's the second year. And this is my first year doing it because I couldn't fit it in last year, but I really wanted to do it this year because I love the concept behind this. It is, I believe, 4 to 6 products that are from 2 different categories. They're either being resurrected from the graveyard. Those are products that are from another project that you were never able to finish or hit your goal on, or the dust collectors, cobwebs, spider webs all over the stuff because it's just been sitting there and you haven't been using it. I have both of them in my project, and this is rolling, which makes it even more interesting. And so I'm going to show you what I finished since the last update, what I still have in, and even though it ends next month, I am actually going to roll in new product, so, or products, since I have multiple empties, and we'll see what I can accomplish in the next month. All right, let's start with my empties. Let's see, all of these were resurrections, and because they were all in a previous project. However, 2 of them were also dust collectors. They had been in my collection for a very long time, and I just needed them done. So the first one is the Jessica Nails Quick Dry 60-second drying drops. I can't even remember what project this was in previously. There was not a ton in it. It is completely done now, and I'm kind of sad. I really do like these. They are a professional product, so they are pricey, but they are worth it if you can get your hands on it. And I have other drying stuff that I'm going to have to get through before I can even think about repurchasing those, but it's good stuff. It really is. The next one is a blush. This was e.l.f. Peachy Keen. This was in, I want to say it was in Pie or Pan and Everything originally, and then I brought it into this project for, you know, to finish it up. It was super powdery. It was light, so it was one of those that I could really like pack it on, and it was, there's a hair. It was never too heavy because it was just like that light, pretty peach color, which I like. And yeah, it is done and done. Happy about that. And another resurrection was the Ulta finishing powder. This was in light to medium. That bad boy is done right there. This one was also in Pie, and I really wanted to finish it. It's done. I'm sad because this was my last one from Ulta, and I really do enjoy it. Maybe once I get some of my other powders done, I might repurchase that one, but I have so many other powders, a lot of loose stuff that I want to get through, and then we'll think about it again. And there goes my phone. My phone is always ringing. Who's calling me? Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think so, people. It's one of those spam calls. All right, the 2 that I am rolling over, the one was a dust collector, though I do think I might have had this in Pie as well. This is from the Sephora Colorista palette. It is a brown gel eyeliner. I am doing phenomenal with this. I know it's a tiny pan, but a little goes a very long way. I am still holding out hope that I can finish this by the finale next month. If it's not done, it's going to be so close that I probably will just continue working on it for the end of the year. And of course, it's on my fingers. So one way or another, that bad boy is getting done this year. So if not by the next update, which is the finale on Halloween, it's going to get done this year. And the last one is my only pressed powder that I currently have. This is the Color Max Photochromatic Pressed Powder in 04 Beige. I ended up frankening this one. I originally had this one in Pie. It was too dark, so I had to add some other powder to it to kind of lighten it. It was a little too yellow for me, so I was able to cool it down just a little bit. So that is what I have in there. I don't even know if I'm going to touch this by the next up. I probably will touch it, but here's the deal. I do not have any other liquid foundations in any projects right now, but I do have some mineral foundations. So I have been using my mineral foundation, so I've also been using my mineral veil and not pressed powder for the last week or two, something like that. So until that one mineral veil is done that I have in a project, I'm not going to touch this. So even if I'm still working on mineral foundation, if I don't have a mineral veil, I'm going to have to top it with this. So, you know, but I want the mineral veil done first. I know I can finish that in the project that it's in, so that would be, it would be nice to have a product finished. Because I know even if I was working on this daily, this is not going to be done by the finale. All right, let's move on to the 3 products that I am bringing in because I finished 3 products. And the first one is newly resurrected. It was barely even like cooled off. This was in pie. I just updated on the 26th. This is the Hot Pot from Coastal Scents in Chamois or Chamois Nude. Hit pan in that. There is a nice dip in there too, because I use a big fluffy brush with that one. I don't think that I can have this one done by the finale. My goal is actually to have way crazy pan in this, and I would like to hit side pan. My big goal is to hit side pan on this. I do think I can do that, and I think I can have that much pan to the point where I really need to repress it. So that is my goal for that one because I know I can't finish it. So we're just going to go with that. The next one is the Bath & Body Works Cotton Blossom. Yeah, this one is, it's really old. It's really old. And I bet Paula has them. This was in, Drop 10 Before Summer, which I never even did a finale on that one because that was during my hiatus, and by the time I came back, it was months later, and it made no sense to even try to do a finale. It wasn't done. You can see where I left off at the end, and I think I can finish that by the end of this. I'm pretty daggone sure I can. So hopefully we'll have one more thing out of my collection. And the next one is going to be a usage goal. This is the Avon Pore Reducer Mask. Those last 2 obviously were resurrections. Even though that Cotton Blossom lotion it's a dust collector as well. This is a dust collector. It has never been in a project. My goal is just to use it 4 times by the next update because I like to mask once a week, especially something that is more drying because of my oily skin to suck all the gunk out of there. So this will hopefully keep me on track to mask like I should. So 4 uses and I will feel like I have met my goal on that one. All right, so I have 5 products that I will be able to show you in the finale. Hopefully I will have some done. Crossing my fingers. The lotion, hopefully the eyeliner. Those are my 2 that I really hope to finish, and everything else is just going to have usage. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. I do believe there is, if I remember correctly, a playlist. I'm going to have that listed down below if you want to go check everyone out. There's tons of people doing this project, so, you know, go check them out. Get in the Halloween spirit, have a little fun. I don't know if you can even see it. I've got my Halloween shirt on today. I just felt that it was fitting, and I love sugar skulls. So, all right, I'm going to wrap this up. Definitely go check out the girls down below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.